Hello out there, my name is Corey Fox, coming to you from right outside of Washington, D.C., and welcome to today's presentation of the Neuroscience of Marketing. The Neuroscience of Marketing uses the advanced inner workings and knowledge of our brain to improve how we accept marketing messages. One of the biggest factors in the research is our emotions. How do our emotions encourage us to buy? For example, researchers tested popular soda brands Coke and Pepsi to figure out which ad campaign did users respond to better. The study was pretty much to find out what were the triggers when these ads came on television, radio. Um, what about it that triggered buyers to want to buy at that particular instance? What made them choose Coke over Pepsi? What was it about this ad or that ad that made a difference? And at that very moment, what was that trigger? Okay, on the next slide, I've composed similar billboard ads, one for Coke, the next for Pepsi. Just kind of show you an example of how different ads may use different keywords to entice buyers to purchase. These are similar triggers of what's used and what neuroscientists study in order to the buying process. Okay, now time for hands-on. Find a relative or someone that's in the house, maybe a friend, and have them pour you a glass of both. Glass of Coke, glass of Pepsi, without you being in the room. Taste each glass, see what you think, see if you can determine what's Coke and what's Pepsi. Okay, great. How did it go? Could you tell the difference? Or were you like most Americans, who we couldn't tell you one or the other? What made the difference was how we were marketed to for those products, that emotion that was triggered us to buy one over the other. Fact of the day, most emotional buying decisions occur between 3 to 5 seconds. Fact provided by neurosciencemarketing.com. The three conscious learning styles that were performed today. First was audio. Can you hear me now? That was provided through the narration of the voice, my voice pretty much this entire presentation, which provided the audio for listeners to listen for the people that learn basically by listening. I hope it helped. The second one will be visual. The visual will be the slides, some of the photos that were provided throughout the presentation, some of the visual effects that was performed throughout the presentation, hopefully to keep the attention of a person that solely on visual. The next learning style will be kinesthetics. Now, kinesthetics was performed pretty much throughout the taste test, asking the listeners to perform a taste test between the two brands, Coke or Pepsi, which gives them a hands-on and helps them get involved. This project was huge for me. Being as I work with consumers on a daily basis, this will definitely have a huge impact on my career and my business. It's helped me keep growing. Definitely good research, and I'll keep studying on it. Thank you. Hey, thanks for listening. Hope you enjoy listening as I enjoy making it, and I hope you learn something. Have a great day.